There are two main things to focus on when animating a LEGO walk cycle: the legs and the torso. Let's start off with the legs, the very basics of the walk cycle. Position 1 is just standing. Position 2 is one leg out like this. Position 3, the legs are balanced between the studs. Position 4, one leg is back, with the leading foot on the next stud. And finally, position 5 is the minifigure standing again. Repeat these positions on the other side and you have a walk cycle like this. Yeah, it's not too great. Let's fix it by animating the torso. I'm going to show it with the legs so you can understand when each torso movement happens. Position or frame 1 is just standing. 2, opposite arms move slightly with the legs. 3, the arms move slightly more. 4, the arms now move closer together. 5, is just standing again. And that's really it. Or is it? Well, there's this one tip that a lot of people don't even know. And it's a frog? Nah, it's just a little tilt of the torso. In frame 2, notice how the torso tilts slightly down and forward. In frame 3, between the studs, the torso tilts up. In frame 4, also tilts up a very little bit. And that's how to animate the perfect smooth walk cycle. And click here to watch it in action.